Pranay has got the next question. He's looking for a value buy in the power space, as hard as that is to find at this point, because it's a narrative, or it's a theme that a lot of people have bought into. So the question is for you, Saurabh. Is there anything in the power space, including generation, transmission, or distribution, where you would buy at this point?
One company that I like in the hydro space is NHPC. Many of their what do you call their capex is expected to be operational. Parbati and all some of their projects are likely to start in the current fiscal. And it is expected that the profitability growth and the revenue growth will be much higher in the 2025-6 and going next year. So in the hydro space, I like NHPC. In the transmission segment, I think KEC can be a good bet. It has already corrected. The numbers were good. There is a case of margin expansion too, because L1 orders are being done by the companies, and there is a good order book. So two companies that I like is KEC International and NHPC.
Okay. All right. The next question is from Rohit, and Rohit is writing in from Muscat in Oman. And he points out that he's been watching our show regularly. We've only taken a question once in the last 2 months. Well, unfortunately, there are so many questions, Rohit, and I hope that the other questions that we're discussing on the program have benefited you nonetheless. But the question specifically is on Hoodco, and 281 is a buy price. He's got 300 shares. He's wondering whether to average at this point. He's in the red right now. Ajit, on the charts, is that a good strategy that you would employ?
So not at current levels, Alex, because the stock is trading below its all these critical moving averages and it's gradually drifting lower. When it comes to the support, the zone comes closer to around 200, 195 zone. So we still have like 5-6% of further decline, which is possible. And in case if it sees any recovery, 220, 22 is the area basically where we have multiple resistances. So risk to reward is not favorable to add more. In fact, in case if it sees a decisive close above 225, then only you should consider, or a dip towards 190, not in between.
Okay. The next question is from Venkat Ramana Reddy, who's writing in from Hyderabad. He's got 15 shares of Britannia at an average price of 4,165. Is it worth it buying more for the long term? He's in the green. If I remember correctly, the numbers are out this week, if not today. Would you wait for the results, or would you buy right now? Saurabh, what's your view on the fundamentals?
I would suggest him to wait for the numbers and the guidance, because there have been some kind of a good surprise and the nasty surprises in the FMCG space. I would suggest him to wait. And if you look in the FMCG space, the company I would suggest is maybe Tata Consumer.